What's up, crypto fans? You're watching All the Way Up Crypto. I'm your host there, and thanks for tuning in. So I came across an interesting IEO that's coming out soon. K.im. So if you guys are familiar with K.im, he's an internet entrepreneur, so to speak. If you're not, just Google him. You'll find out a lot of interesting stuff about this guy. Anyway, he wants to create a platform for content creators. It's a pretty interesting concept. Trying to make it easy, trying to eliminate the fraudulent stuff that goes on with people and their content creation. So I believe the IEO is going to be on Bittrex, maybe? I think. Bittrex or Binance. I don't remember if Bittrex is doing IEOs or not. But I did glance over their one-pager introduction as far as that was concerned. So it's interesting. So it won't really technically be going live until third quarter of 2020. So I don't know. I mean, I really think this area with content on the internet is ripe for something to disrupt it. I mean, take something like YouTube, for example. And the ads that run on it. I mean, if you're not getting your information into the first 5 seconds of that ad, people don't give a crap, number one. Number two, if people do watch your ad and they don't watch 30, I don't know, there's just a lot of interesting stuff. You take Google AdWords. That's a freaking crime right there. And that's where Google gets so much of their money. People end up paying per click. You mean to tell me people aren't running bots against their competition? I did AdWords one time with $100 for my photo booth business, and $100 for my little photo booth business. It shouldn't have been clicked on and gone within a week. Ain't that many people were looking for a photo booth business in a week that people were clicking on it. It wasn't happening. So, those are just some things that go on with it. And as far as creating content, you know, how do you know it's good quality content? That's another area that needs to be focused on. And should be looked at from a different perspective. You know what? I think some of the current ways that we do things have been like maybe abused. So there's options that are out there. So I don't know. So what's going on in the market? Well, we've been dipping below 8K. Hey. What do you say? I say buy the freaking dip. I would dollar cost average in though, because I still think we got to go lower. I really do. I still think we got to dip down below somewhere around that 6K level. How low? Maybe 50. Somewhere around 5K and up, between 5 and 6,400. Somewhere around there, I think, is where we'll touch down, go sideways, then we're going to go up. We'll tell you back in 2016, when it looked like we got above the 200-day moving average. Now, the 200-day moving average, as far as trading is concerned, is considered bear market, bull market. So if you get above it, you're supposed to be technically in a bull market. You dip below, you're in a bear market. So in 2016, back in June or 2015, I think it was 2016. I don't know, I was looking at it real quick today. Regardless, I know it was in June of 2015 or 2016. We got above it for a little bit, and then we dropped down below it for almost 2 months. It was about 55 days or so. So just say 2 months. We'll round it up. So we dipped down below it, and then it took 2 months to get back above it. Well, we got above the 200-day moving average like out of nowhere after we dropped down below it. Okay, if you look at the charts from 2018 heading into 2019. So we dipped down below it, and then out of nowhere, right above it. We've been above it now for 5 months. So one possible scenario that I see happening is maybe we're below this 200-day moving average for the next 5 months, which would stink, but we could still hang around that 9K level, that 7, 8, 9K level, and we should be buying. You know, and then until we get back above that 200-day moving average, I don't see us going up real quick. It's one possible scenario. There was a guy who posted on 4chan. So he's an anonymous guy, posted on there, anonymous BTC, I don't know, but he posted the price in July of 2019 to be at 9K. He nailed it. He called the bottom at 2050. Bottom's in, we're going to hit this price in July, this price in October, whatever it was. Regardless, he nailed it. Nailed it. October of this year, he has it at 16K. There's nothing stopping it from going that high. That's double. By the end of October, could we be at 16K? Yes, I see that happening. Very well could see it happening. I can see us dropping down real quick, down to the 5, 6K, and then climbing back up to 16K. And then he had sometime in 2020, late 2020, maybe November, 87,000. So, either he knows things we don't know, or maybe his technical analysis is just better than everyone else. So who knows? Anyway, I hope you're all doing well. It is Thursday, and until we meet again, stay crypto, my friends. Peace.